Here's a solution to the KeyTrap puzzle. I'll try to make it as quick as I can. I solved it from what I'd call the back, so we're going to look at it from this view. And it's really much easier if you label the pieces. So this is piece number 1, so if you want to follow, I'd label your piece this way. 2's here, 3, and 4. And this is the orientation they'll go in the case when they've solved it. So let's look at first, we'll put piece 1 up at the top. Piece 2, we're going to put just under it. So we've got 1 and 2 this way, and then you can take this and just, it'll actually just slide right in. Now, what you'll find is that if you pull this up just a bit, this will slide over and up. Now, at this point, you really don't want that red key in there. You can actually slide this all the way up and you can just sort of get rid of this. So if we now look, we're actually going to put piece number 4 in, and it's just going to be, if you move piece 2 a little forward, you can sort of slide it over. Sometimes it's better if it just works its way itself. And it'll slide over the little protrusion in there. So that's piece 4. Now you can push piece 4 forward, and you can put piece 3 right underneath of it. Like that. Now at this point, what you'll find is that if you push this sort of everything in and up, this piece 3 will slide up and over. Like this. So you can use that at some point. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get piece 4 is going to slide underneath of 2 and it's going to fall down, but we've got to get the red key in. So let's get this up here so that we can bring piece 4 will come in, 1 will come down. And that'll allow us to get our red keys in the middle here. So it's captured by piece number 1. Now the big move here is to get piece 3 back over here. So we'll put that back up. So that whole purpose was to get the key in. We're going to move 3 back over. And what you'll notice is that 2 is free. It slides up and down now. And it will go in and out. What we're going to do is we're going to slide 4 underneath 2. Now we have to bring this up a little bit. This has to be all the way up. This has to be up. There we go. Now once that happens, this will start to collapse. You can bring this down and over. 4 all the way down. 2, and voila.